Hello YouTube, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be looking into Microsoft Excel and we're going to see how some of its features can really help us save time from doing hours of calculations and doing it with Microsoft Excel and doing it in minutes. So let's just jump into it. I have Microsoft Excel open right here. So the feature that we're going to be looking in is called Autosum feature. And we're going to see how it actually works and how it can help save a lot of time. Now let's suppose I grab this data from the internet randomly and I want to add all of the data present in the sales column. How will I do it? Now there's one method. I'm going to choose this box here. I'm going to type in there equals, and if I want to sum all of the data, I'm going to choose first box. I'm going to hit plus. I'm going to choose second box. Then I'm going to hit plus. I'm going to choose the third box. And I'm going to keep doing it all the way down, which is a very lengthy process. Now what I can do instead is I will erase all of this data. I will come down here. I'm going to choose this box where I want the sum to be present. I'm going to go home. And there you have this thing or summation which is called Autosum feature. So I'm gonna just click on it and boom, there you go. It selects all of the data present in that column and it sums it at the end. So I'm just gonna hit enter, and there you go. You have successfully added up all the data that was present with one click. So this is the Autosum feature. You can use it for different purposes. Like if I want to add the unit price as well, I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna hit this summation icon and boom, there you go. It summed up all the data present in the unit price as well. So I hope this video helps you, and if it does, drop a comment below and like the video as well. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.